Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mitch Knows Money. Today is a very exciting day. I placed a claw machine and a gumball machine. The claw machine is going to a local grocery store. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to be doing collection videos very soon. I placed a triple head candy machine. I'm going to do peanut M&Ms, gumballs, and chewy sprees because that seems to be like the number one thing for everybody. I'm actually very, very excited to kind of get this sort of ball rolling. I've been working a long time to try to catch on with the passive income, and where gumball machines aren't necessarily like passive income per se. Once they're set in place, and basically you could hire somebody to do your collections for you, I would not recommend that until you get kind of like on your feet and off the ground. But it's very exciting. I'm so excited. I'm actually like really ecstatic to get this sort of going. I've been working on Candy for a Cause for about 2 years now. I bought like 10 gumball machines, and I bought like one of them like 6 tier racks, and one of those. And the thing was is that it was like when you're getting that going, you think to yourself like, oh man, I'm gonna make so much money right away, and it's just so exciting, and everybody's gonna, for me, it's one of them things that it's like, when you have that set in place, it frees up so much more time, and that's really what passive income is kind of all about, for me anyway. Is that like I have different ventures that I do. I do seal coating, landscaping, and paving, the candy machines as well now. So it's like it's exciting because now you have certain things set in place, so that way you won't necessarily maybe be rich in the beginning, but you always have that sort of cash flow coming in, so that if things do kind of go rocky for a little bit, well, you still have something to fall back on. Eventually I'd love to get into ATMs, and I really want to stick to entertainment vending, because where the candy and gumball machines are pretty good, like I really like, I'm dead set on sticking to claw machines and coin pushers and ATMs, of course, because ATMs, I've seen certain people talk about how like they make upwards of like $100 to $400 a day off one ATM machine, and like every 2 weeks off a claw machine, making close to like $200 to $600. So for me, like getting that set up is just kind of like the dream. That's kind of where you want to be, and like you feel like you're gonna be able to support yourself, and then it opens up so many like business ventures for you. So that way you can basically you can count on a certain amount of income while you're sleeping, and then you can focus on other business ventures on top of that, which I think is great. That's what everybody dreams of having, right? And to kind of wrap things up is like success isn't always going to be beautiful. You're fighting to get out of that financial ruin. You know, the thing is that if you just keep pushing forward, keep doing what you're doing, always remember what your end game is and why you started, because there are going to be times when, you'll make money and you'll be really, really happy, and then there's going to be other times when you're broke. But the thing is that if you do keep moving forward, keep going, keep striving to be the best that you possibly can, you will eventually see freedom. Now, whether that's just peace of mind with a really good business, or just, making that money, either way you're a winner. So, that's about it. That's all I have for today. So, just like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.